Seleti Ibubagu Ono ugo na bo Aneje Ona balagumbo Ona balagumbo Seleti Amoni Seleti Yo mon This one cover us up. Money. I'll do one up. Money.
Bye-bye, Ekene Munu. Today is the 2020 edition of Obagu Day.
Obagu Day. Amari Amalo.
And we're here for the Obagu Day, the 2020 edition. That's why we're here. You can see everything. Masquerade everywhere. The town is bubbling.
The place is amazing. I don't believe we are in Obu town.
This evening, can see the crowd. This is the last lap before we can depart to our numerous destination.
This is my first time over here, so I feel very excited to be here.
I feel so happy because this is one of those things we have been promoting. Get together to know ourselves more.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Anambra State. Thank you, my town, for always supporting this. Thank you. I really appreciate.
How do you feel being here this evening?
I feel excited. I'm really happy seeing the crowd. Like, wow.
Interaction within culture and modernity.
And those that are doing abroad, let's bring it back to the home here and show them how it is.
Let's bring up your own son from this land, the son of the soil. One nigga work it, your own boy. If you hire Senator President, ladies and gentlemen, how do you report that?
They are doing a nice job here. Soloti is a nice guy. So I'm very happy to be here today.
Soloti, I've been hearing of Soloti. This is the first time I'm seeing him. Wow, he's so cute, and his shows have been gang. Thumbs up. He's really trying. I've been going to YouTube. I've been watching his videos, and I'm happy standing here. And he's videoing me. I'm really excited.
Be the most
na occasion na ọgbakọ na nwanyị nwere na mgbede.
I feel very, very happy, even more than happy of what I saw here.
Wow, I feel very happy and excited. Like the population, everything. I'm very happy.
Oh, it's a pleasure. It's nice.
You can see the crowd here. That is what it's just to promote peace. It's just to promote unity. It's just to have fun for the season.
Because the Bible says about saying if I never have any one on it, they're going to create to some amount of sense of Nagana and Jack. What the Agaraga before someone to play a color.
One time for the one time.
Sixth and fifth should go. Daugu 2020 contestant number 1.
Yeah, what up, music fans out there? I'm hanging out with the super duper swat DJ, Cootie G.
God bless you, son. God bless you, cameraman. I'm sure beautiful as well. 2020.
How do you feel being the winner?
I feel so happy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap for 2020 Obiagude. See you next year. My name is Ijoma.